Hi guys, it has been a minute. I have been kind of dealing with some health issues and it's been stressful, so I really haven't picked up my camera, but I have thrift items with me. I have my paints, so we're gonna get back in the saddle today and do some thrift flips. The first project I'm gonna do is this little, it's like a book stand. It's got a gloss over it, so I have to strip it down first, but I'm going to stain it to make it a darker color and match my aesthetic a little bit better. I'm also going to give this little vase a makeover. And then last but not least, this one will be an easy one. This I'm going to replace with some art. These pieces I think are from my last video. So that's my plan for today. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, I've got to get the protective coating off this piece. So I'm just gonna use my liquid sandpaper. That's typically the easiest. I really wish I had some gloves, but of course I do not, but that's okay. Alright, I'm just going to let this sit and kind of do its thing for a little while and move on to the next piece, which is going to be this vase. I realized that I am like a paint sample lady. I have so many freaking paint samples, it's out of control. But the good news is that means I've got lots of paint for projects, and I just have a mixed here of browns, greens, beiges, creams, deep reddy plum colors, black. And I'm trying to decide, I might just do a base coat of one color and let that dry and then come back in with other colors. That's probably the easiest thing to do, I think.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song.
Oh.
Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love.
All right, we're gonna let our pot dry. This is actually drying incredibly fast. Oh, Chelsea, I just stuck my hand in wet paint after I said it's drying fast, but it really is. And this is blending really, really well. So I think this is gonna be done fairly quickly. One of the main tricks to blending is to never just go in straight with a solid color. You always want to be mixing it with something else before going onto your pot. This is my little paint tray, and you can see this center area is really blended with all these different colors, and that is what helps the paint really blend together. I also have my main color here, so that way if something does go on too sharp and it's not blending out, I just take my little paper towel here, dip it back in the main color, and kind of dab over it to help diffuse any harsh colors or lines. If you're interested in how I do my pots, I have a whole video I'll leave in my description box that talks about more specifics for some of the methods that I use. All right, we have to let that dry. Next, I need to get this lace out of this frame. So I'm gonna grab my scissors and we're gonna work on cutting this out. There are so many staples in this darn thing, and I can't find the tool that would probably make the most sense to get it out. So I'm trying to do it with this flathead screwdriver, and I'm starting to think this is futile. And I've also injured myself and I'm starting to bleed. So maybe I just stop fussing with the staples and I just go over it. All right, we're back with our original piece. I did wipe this down with a clean, damp rag with some dish liquid on it just to get any excess product off. It is dry and we are ready to stain. I'm gonna use a gel stain like I do in 99.9% of my projects. I just think it gives a nice, rich color. Oh, just perfect. So I'm gonna go in and stain this, and then we'll need to let this dry for at least a day.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies.
Yeah, this is gonna take more than one day. I don't know why I didn't think this through. That whole top section is gonna have to dry before we can flip it over and do the bottom. Why I didn't think of this, I don't know. But we'll let this dry, come back maybe later, maybe tomorrow, flip it over, do the bottom, and then it'll probably need a full day to dry after that. So I think for now we're kind of at a standstill. I have to find some art for our little frame here, decide what I'm going to put in it, but I also probably need to figure out where I want to hang it because that might dictate the art that I put into it. So have to figure that out, get some art printed for it if I don't already have a piece that I want to put in it, and then we'll go from there.
Too great, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. It hurts, it wasn't fair.
All right, we are back with the final project. I got a piece of art for our little frame here. I have to obviously cut it down to the appropriate size. So to do that, I'm just going to put this on the back and trace it, and then I will get it cut out.